The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide appears to represent a new shift in Samsung's foldable strategy. Instead of focusing on just one ultra-premium foldable device, Samsung is reportedly planning to introduce two distinct versions, the standard Galaxy Z Fold 8 and the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide. The Fold 8 Wide is specifically designed for users who have long requested a wider outer display. In previous Fold models, one of the biggest criticisms was the narrow, remote control-like cover screen. With the wide version, Samsung aims to create a device that feels more like a traditional smartphone when closed, making it easier to use with one hand and more comfortable for everyday tasks. This design move also positions Samsung to better compete with rival foldables that already feature wider aspect ratios, as well as Apple's rumored foldable iPhone. In terms of cameras, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide will see some noticeable changes compared to the regular Fold 8. While the standard version is expected to feature 3 rear cameras, the wide variant will reportedly include only 2, a 50-megapixel main sensor and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera. It will not include Samsung's 200-megapixel sensor from the Ultra lineup, nor is it expected to have a dedicated telephoto lens. For photography enthusiasts, this could be seen as a downgrade. However, Samsung's likely reasoning is that most everyday users prioritize a strong main camera and a versatile ultra-wide lens for social media, casual photography, and video recording rather than high-powered zoom capabilities. The 50-megapixel main sensor, similar to the one used in the base Galaxy S26, is still expected to deliver flagship-level image quality for the majority of users. From a product positioning standpoint, Samsung is intentionally placing the Fold 8 Wide slightly below the standard Z Fold 8. In addition to the camera adjustments, the wide model may also feature a slightly smaller battery. This strategic differentiation ensures that the two models do not compete directly with each other. If the wide version offered every premium feature at a lower price, it could negatively impact sales of the standard Fold 8. By creating two versions with distinct strengths, Samsung can target different audiences: the standard Fold 8 for power users and photography-focused consumers, and the Fold 8 Wide for those who prioritize media consumption, display comfort, and overall usability. One major positive is that both models are expected to share the same high-end Snapdragon chipset. This means performance will not be compromised on the wide version. Users can expect top-tier speed, smooth multitasking, strong gaming performance, and long-term software support. Unlike some light or budget variants that reduce processing power to cut costs, the Fold 8 Wide is still positioned as a premium flagship device in terms of performance. Pricing is another key factor. The standard Galaxy Z Fold 8 is expected to launch around the $2,000 mark, while the Fold 8 Wide could be priced a few $100s lower, possibly in the $1,700 to $800 range. While this is still a premium price point, it makes foldable technology slightly more accessible and competitive with other high-end smartphones, such as Ultra or Pro Max models. In terms of design and branding, the signature marketing color for the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide is expected to be dark green, giving it a distinctive and premium appearance. Early case leaks have shown magnetic rings, but the phone itself is unlikely to include built-in magnets. This means users who want QI2 or magnetic-style charging functionality will likely need to purchase a compatible magnetic case separately. Overall, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide appears to be a media-focused foldable with a wider, more user-friendly outer screen, flagship-level performance, and slightly reduced camera and battery specifications to achieve a lower price point. It is designed for users who want a modern, comfortable foldable experience without necessarily needing a 200 megapixel camera or advanced zoom capabilities.